Hey guys, it's Kelly. So, if you're a plant person, you like watching relaxing, chilled out videos about plants, learning a little bit about plants, and just watching somebody struggle at planting, hit the subscribe button and come hang out. So, today I'm going to be starting all my herbal seeds. I'm going to be doing it in this bin. Again, if you saw my other video about potting up my vegetable seeds, I'm doing it on a very small scale because I'm in an apartment complex. I don't have access or permission to use the lawn outside. So, this is what we're doing. For each pot, I'm going to put in a different type of herb, see what grows, see what I can grow in an apartment type setting with, you know, the little grow lights that I have. And yeah, so I'm gonna bring you along. So this is day 1, seed planting. Alright, so I'll switch the camera angle so you can see better. And yeah, that's what we're doing. So see you in a bit. Hey guys, it's Kelly. So today we're going to be potting up my herb seeds, and we're going to see what I can grow in an apartment complex setting, indoors with the little grow light system I have set up. So I have 20 varieties of herbs that I'm going to show you the seeds for, tell you the germination date and the maturity date. First, we have sage broadleaf. This takes 15 days to germinate and 85 days until the plant is mature. The next one I'm potting up is the parsley Italian flatleaf. It takes 20 to 30 days to germinate and 80 to 90 days for maturity. Next one is arugula roquette. It takes 5 to 8 days to germinate and 35 days to harvest. I also picked up arugula rocket. Might be the same, I'm not sure, but we'll see. We'll find out. So it takes 7 to 14 days to germinate and 35 days to harvest. Next that I'm going to pot up is chamomile German variety. These are very, very, very tiny seeds. And it takes 14 to 21 days to germinate and 120 days to harvest. So we will see. Okay, the next guy I'm going to be planting up is spearmint. Again, a very small seed herb. And it takes 7 to 14 days to germinate and up to 200 days to harvest. So another long haul. Everybody says spearmints or mints in general are easy to grow. I have killed every single one I've tried, so I don't know. The next one I'm potting up is rosemary. It takes 7 to 21 days to germinate, and it can take up to 400 days to harvest. The next one is chives garlic variety, and it can take from 7 to 14 days to germinate and up to 90 days to maturity so that you could harvest it. So we'll see. I think that's just a cute little flower. Let's see if that grows. I also picked up just some, I guess, regular chives, a more purpley flower. The seeds look a little different, but this also takes 7 to 14 days to germinate and up to 90 days for harvest. Next, we're going to pot up some lavender English variety. It can take 14 to 28 days to mature and 90 to germinate, and 90 days to mature to harvest. Alright, next, now we're getting into some of my older seeds. So this is mustard southern giant curled, and it takes 4 to 10 days to germinate and 40 days to harvest. Next is summer savory. It takes 7 to 14 days to germinate and 60 days to harvest. Next is cilantro coriander. It takes 14 days to germinate and 70 days to harvest. Next is thyme, the common variety, and it takes 14 to 18 days to germinate and 80 to 90 days for harvest. Next is the oregano Italian variety. It takes 14 to 18 days to germinate and 80 to 90 days for maturation to harvest. Next one is parsley moss curled. So this one takes 21 to 28 days to harvest, and it doesn't have a maturation date, but the plant gets anywhere from 12 to 16 inches. So I guess that's when you harvest it.
Don't know. If you know, let me know. Next is lemon balm. It takes 12 to 21 days to germinate and 68 to 72 days to mature for harvesting. Next is this basil dark opal purple. It takes 14 to 21 days to germinate and 80 to 85 days to reach maturity. Very cute. I'm excited about this one. So this is Dill Mammoth Long Island variety. I did not give a picture of the plant, and it also did not give a germination date, but after 70 days you can harvest it. So if you know how long this takes to germinate, let me know. Alrighty, this is basil Italian large leaf. It also didn't come with a picture or germination date, but also after 70 days it is good for harvest. Alright guys, so this is day 1 of my little herb garden, and I will see what grows, what doesn't grow. I have a lid for this. I'm going to keep on it, and I'm going to put this whole bin onto a heat mat, and we're going to check back in about a week. So I'll keep you updated. Again, if you have any information on any of these that you would like to share, throw it in the comments below. And until next time, plant, relax, and peace.